Hi, my name is Lonnie Souza, General Manager of Oak Motorcars. We understand that these are trying times, and we want you to know that we're here for you. Knowing that your vehicle is essential to your daily life, we're open for business. We're keeping our service lanes and showrooms open for you. Oak Motorcars has long offered concierge pickup and delivery for repairs and maintenance for our clients. Effective immediately, we are expanding this service to include all brands of cars and trucks. We understand today's circumstance, but we know reliable transportation is a must. Regardless of make or model, whether it's an oil change, flat tire, check engine light, or dead battery, we'll come pick up your car. We'll have it repaired and serviced by our master certified technicians, and we'll return it to you fully sanitized and full of gasoline. While our core business models remain the sales and service of Bentley and Rolls-Royce, our master technicians are also certified in many other major brands, including Porsche, Mercedes, and Audi, to name a few. By shifting our focus to include concierge service for all brands of cars, we are hopeful that we can help you through these uncertain times.